PAW Patrol PUP Power Party. One windy day, the pups were preparing a surprise party for Chase at Katie's pet parlor. Marshall was keeping Chase away. While Marshall and Chase played at the park, Chase thought Marshall was acting a little weird. The wind caused the lights at the parlor to go out. "Something must be wrong with one of the windmill turbines," said Ryder. "We're going to throw Chase a party no matter what," said Ryder, grabbing his pup pad. "Paw Patrol to the lookout!" In the lookout, Ryder spotted the problem. "Rocky," said Ryder, "I need you to find something in your truck to fix the broken windmill blade." Marshall's ladder was used to climb up and fix the windmill. Chase went to direct traffic. "Paw Patrol is on a roll!" Ryder shouted. Chase arrived on Main Street and got straight to work. The drivers did just as Chase instructed. Ryder climbed the ladder and used Zuma's old surfboard to fix the windmill. It worked perfect. The Paw Patrol did it! All the lights came back on. Ryder told Chase they needed him at Katie's and let Sky know Chase was on his way. "Surprise!" everyone shouted. "Happy birthday, Chase!" Chase blew out his candles and the pups helped him eat his cake. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And check out some of my other playlists. And for more Paw Patrol stories, check out my Paw Patrol playlist. We'll see you all in the next adventure.